Hello guys, you can see the nunnery's view today, and this is a flower in pink color, and there are some nuns. They are making butter lamps, and then it is running over here right now. We are at the top of the Aningoma's shop, and you can see it. Then this is the building where Ani
the trees.
behind the building there is a new building. And this is the most beautiful one. This is the machine for nuns to do some exercise over here too. The same and here, but we never been here before because all of these are yoga mats. And guys, this is classroom of Mundozinda primary, Sheta's primary classroom, and so beautiful. But because of our camera, you cannot see the beauty of this classroom, but we can see through our eyes. This is our cultural chair in a unique shape, and for our teacher this is. And this is whiteboard. Here
Decoration. Some flowers.
Decorated for the offering in the morning. Today it is Sunday, so they don't have the offering water.
Photo.
And this is our young Sirumuchi. And another unique tree over here. Some people says we can eat the seed of this tree, but I'm not sure. This is a handmade table for them, and another table, and you can see different types of tables over here. You can fold this to take when you take outside. You can do like this. Name list. I'm sorry. There are 19 people. I mean 19 students in this class, and these are their ID numbers and their names in Tibetan.
This one is
peacock. A beautiful peacock in their classroom.
Yes. Quack quack.
Yeah.
Quack quack. Quack quack. Look there.
Back side of the nunnery.
Oh.
A road and buses and Tashilumbo Monastery. And a new swimming pool. Bye bye everybody. Nice to be with you guys, and
thanks for watching.
Yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like our channel and subscribe it and share.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.